Do you agree? You've answered the same questions twice, thrice. You agree with me?
If you can please switch on the microphone and get it closer to your mouth.
Maybe we've got other questions.
Okay.
And the repeating questions, we want to find the whole truth about and consistent about.
No, I think we have the truth. I think we've gathered enough now. You mentioned earlier on, just to say this, you mentioned earlier on that this has had a very bad impact on your family and your kids. Am I right?
And the community and the
And the
surroundings.
community and everyone. Is this why you moved out?
No, I didn't move out.
You're not staying with your girlfriend?
No, I divorced a long time ago.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Now I'm still staying with my kids where I was staying 5 years ago.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Mr. Mkhwanazi, let's get to the business of today. Please, can you turn to page 3 of your witness statement? Read paragraphs 8.1 and 8.2 into the record for the committee.
Paragraph.
8.1. I don't have much time, so. Can you read 8.1?
Yes. Understand from, sorry, any related claim regarding corruption, financial or otherwise.
Please speak into the mic.
Let me do like this. 8.1 related to claim regarding corruption, financial or otherwise bribery, misuse of public resources within SAPS and any other relevant institution.
Okay. 8.2.
Evaluating the extent of misconduct, unethical behavior, members of SAPS and any other relevant individual or institutions.
Okay, that's why we're here today.
Yes.
Okay. I looked at your CV and you served in law enforcement for almost 2 decades, correct?
Yes, madam.
Very long time. I assume you understand very well what constitutes corruption, correct? You understand what's corruption?
Yeah, yes, madam.
Right. You understand what constitutes bribery?
Yes, yes, yes.
Good. As a senior manager for many years in public service, would you also understand very well what constitutes misconduct and unethical behavior within law enforcement?
Yes, you're correct.
You do. How do you define corruption? Define corruption.
If you are providing services and somebody, for example, you are making an arrest, somebody doesn't want to be arrested, gives you money for you not to execute your duties or arrest him or her.
Okay.
Yes.
Any other definition? Example?
Taking money from a service provider that is supposed to provide services.
Taking money from a
And-
service provider,
yes.
that's corruption. Okay.
Yes.
Unethical conduct? Can you describe what that means? Define it.
To behave in an unacceptable manner.
In an unacceptable manner
Yes.
that compromises the state. Am I right?
Institution, yes.
The institution.
Yes.
Okay. As a senior law enforcement officer, are you familiar with PRECA?
What?
PRECA.
No.
You've been in this position for 2 decades.
Yes.
Are you familiar with PRECA?
No.
You're not familiar?
Yes.
Okay. That is the Prevention and Combating of Corrupt Activities Act. That's what guides us. That's what helps us identifying corruption and how we need to deal with it in this country. That's the legislation. Are you aware that PRECA is the principal anti-corruption legislation in the country and that it criminalizes, I'm going to teach you something today, it criminalizes the giving, receiving or accepting of gratification in order to influence conduct. You don't have to write it
I'm
down.
waiting, no.
Okay.
I must read it after.
Would you like for me to summarize how PRECA defines corruption, just for your benefit?
Set your press time, I will read it.
Okay, I'm going to ask, Jay, can you give him a copy through you, Chair, please? Can we just give the witness a copy of the act? Chair?
I can Google it.
No, it's fine. We have a hard copy here for you. Is it fine? Okay. If you can turn with me, I think it's page 3. I'm going to read there. The general offense of corruption occurs when a person gives, offers, accepts, or agrees to accept
Page 0 of PREC.
preka. Just read the preka there. I think it's under point 3, part 2. General offense of corruption. It's highlighted in
The
green.
one you highlighted.
Yeah. Okay. The general offense of corruption occurs when a person gives, offers, accepts, or agrees to accept any form of gratification directly or indirectly for themselves or someone else in order to influence conduct. Do you understand that? I see you writing.
I'm with you.
This includes acting, influencing another to act in a way that is illegal, dishonest, unauthorized, biased, or involves the misuse of information, constitutes an abuse of authority, breach of trust, or violation of legal duties or rules, is intended to achieve an unjustified outcome, or otherwise amounts to an improper or unauthorized inducement to act or refrain from acting. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. You have described yourself as an honest person with integrity. You said earlier on, I was not bought. So I want to move to your relationship with Mr. Matlala. Mr. Matlala is a close friend, correct? He was a close friend. It's also that booty relationship that everyone comes here, says they found a brother in a criminal. Also, you also found a brother in a criminal.
By that time, he was not.
Yeah, but
Understand.
everyone found brothers in Kat Matlala, or yesterday Mr. McBride also found a brother in Jackie Salibi. So he was a brother to you
Before all these things.
before all these things.
And as I've explained that 2020, 2021, 2022, there was no involvement in all these things. No, it is no.
Nothing.
Yes,
Despite being in that position for over 24 years, you didn't find anything, you didn't check to profile him, nothing.
No, as I've said that the profiling raised the issue of shoplifting.
Excuse me?
As I've said, in fact, you even raised it to him when you were with him. He said to you, it was the issue of shoplifting that we found. You see, any other things we didn't get.
So it was okay to
Because-
do business with someone who's shoplifting,
No, long ago, just then whilst he was still young, growing.
growing up.
Yes.
There was nothing else, no
Any-
other records.
No, I didn't have. No, I didn't have. Remember,
Did you profile him?
I can't enter to SAPS. We don't have those systems.
But you can request.
It takes time. It doesn't do that. You need permission to do that.
You need, so you just trusted him blindly.
No,
And
the business that they had, they were registered business doing very well, like your Medicare and CAT VIP security that time. I trusted.
you trust everyone you meet.
No, we are talking about Usmatlala.
Yeah, specifically Mr.
No,
Matlala.
not everyone.
You didn't seem suspicious. You didn't know how else he makes his money, nothing. You didn't bother checking.
No. There I didn't. I must be honest to you.
Okay. When you were introducing Kat and Mike, did you formally, Mike van Wyk, did you not formally disclose this relationship as a potential conflict of interest?
Now remember, Mike didn't say he wanted to provide services to me. He said he wanted to provide to the city and free out of charge, not to me, to the city.
That's a service, whether it's
And
free or not,
that's why-
that is providing a service. You need to disclose it
No, it was
because it can impact the reputation of the city.
but it was disclosed because he sent an formal email with all the details to the city of Ekurhuleni. He even went and presented to the city of
So him sending you an email is disclosing.
No, he even went and presented to the senior management. Then
Where was your first meeting with Mr. van Wyk?
it was
In the city or on his premises?
no. The business is within the city.
In the city?
It's in Boxburg, yes.
No. Was it at his premises, business premises, or at the city's offices?
No, business premises here in Boxburg.
Whose business premises? His.
Mike, yes.
Mike.
Yes.
So you meet this
It's a
person,
clinic.
excuse me?
It's a clinic.
It's a clinic.
Yes.
So you go to him
Yes, yes, yes.
He didn't even come to the city.
No, no, no. The guys have said, let's go.
Is that appropriate?
Yeah, there was nothing wrong. It doesn't, it's not a service provider. I wanted to his
You wanted the freebies from him.
No, no, Mike didn't give freebies. You are changing it now. There's
No, I'm not changing. You said he gave freebies.
From who?
You said Mr. Mike van Wyk
Oh.
gave freebies. He gave free services to the city.
Which paragraph?
You said that.
No, I'm saying
Didn't you
I
say he
wanted
did
to
free
provide-
COVID testing? Didn't you see he assisted with many things? He assisted with photocopying. That was
Oh.
300,000. Did you
Oh.
say that?
Service to the city, yes, not to me.
Yes, to the city.
Oh, I thought.
Are you not a representative of the city?
Yes, I thought.
Yes. You represent the city.
Yes, you wanted to do that. You wanted to give service to the city. I agree.
Yeah, he was giving services because you even put a cost to those services.
The cost.
Yes, you say 300,000.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, oh.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, he was. When you were introducing Kat and Mike, did you formally disclose this relationship as a potential conflict of interest?
No, it was not a conflict of interest.
No, you didn't. You didn't disclose it
Why are you saying it was a conflict of interest?
because he was providing services.
To who?
You were meeting him privately.
To who?
Do you know who do you represent? The city.
To the city, yes.
Yes.
It's not a conflict of interest. That's what I've answered earlier on. It's not a conflict of interest. If someone wants to provide the service to the city, where's the conflict of interest?
So you are attaching yourself from the city
No,
now.
I'm not detaching that. You just said I was representing the city. It was not personal. Conflict of interest when I benefit for myself in those services. I didn't benefit from myself in those services.
You didn't benefit.
No. From Mike, I didn't benefit. From those services that they provided, I didn't benefit anything. And I told you that I had COVID before.
But,
It was just I
but,
came out of COVID.
but sir, you just earlier on said that you declared money to the council. You said you got approximately 2130. That isn't benefiting. You don't see that. I just read the Preka Act to you now. You don't see that as benefiting.
It was after 4 years where there was nothing anymore. There was no relation. There was nothing anymore with the city. As I've said that his intention, it was to provide the services of the job of the effective emergency services. The other one was to get the people to work with us in terms of all of them, they didn't materials. Then 3 years, 4 years, we continued as normal friends.
Ek dink nie jy verstaan die bil so lekker nie.
Sorry?
Did you disclose the money that you received? Did you disclose the money you received was from Mr. Matlala, who you were parading around and introducing to officials as a service provider? When you declared it, did you say who it's from?
Your statement, I didn't parade Mr. Matlala. That's correct.
Oh, what do you mean you didn't parade him around? You
Said
were
I was
introducing him.
Parading and introduce two different things. Parading is to go around taking, this is the what I come and meet. There are two different terms, madam. I can't agree with that.
Okay, so you were introducing him to your seniors and
Yes.
connecting him.
No, it was not connection.
It wasn't
It was a
connection,
meeting, a planning for state of the city.
but you initiated all of this.
Yes. for
You
planning.
opened the door, you rolled out the red carpet. Had it not been for that first meeting between yourself and Mike van Wyk, Kat Matlala wouldn't have found his fingers into the city. Am I correct? That you opened the door to all of this.
He provided
You were the first one who engaged him.
not all of this. Let us correct it. He provided service once. The state of the city, it was nothing and nothing happened. You are talking as if he was providing service in different things
You opened the door to him.
for state of the city.
Yes, you opened the door. The
Yes.
fact remains you opened the door.
For the state
You
of the
rolled out the
city.
red carpet for Mr. Matlala.
I'm
And
not,
everything else followed.
I don't work with carpets, madam. Let's correct it.
Mr. Mkhwanazi, you've been working for almost 2 decades for the city, right? When did your problem start in terms of suspensions?
2022
When did you meet Kat and Mike?
in that year. 2021.
So when did your problem start? When did your first suspension start? You had no problems before you met these
2020.
characters.
Yeah.
2021, am I correct? Your problem started with the two of them.
No, not with Vusimatla. With Mike, there was nothing.
It started with Kat.
Yes.
That's where your problem started. That's where our country's problem started. You opened up the door.
I opened up the door for the problems of the country. That's what you're saying.
So while you were accepting, you're not going to question me. So while you were accepting money from Mr. Matlala and his associates were granted access, because this is the fact of the matter, were granted access to blue lights, they had their vehicles incorporated into EMPD fleet and were effectively afforded law enforcement privileges, correct?
May I not answer that because I've already answered it.
You're not going to answer it.
I've answered it and you were part of it. Now we are changing the whole thing. If you want to believe it, I can't change. It's in your mind, it's in you. I can't do it. I've tried to explain it many times, but I can tell you don't want to believe that.
Don't get
And I'm telling you
arrogant.
facts, and I'm telling you facts what has happened.
Don't get arrogant, because you know what am I reminded of now?
and that-
I am reminded of the young lady that was reinstated. What was her name? Kelebogile Tepa. Do you remember her?
Yes,
Do you remember how she was crying? Do you remember what she went through? Do you recall her testimony
It's
to
lies.
Madlanga?
it's lies.
Lies.
I can prove it. I've submitted to my presenter. I've submitted.
So she lied about being harassed. She
Honourable-
lied about being victimized.
She lied under oath, I'm telling you.
The time.
She lied under oath.
Yes, yes. And I can prove it, and I'm going to prove it.
Thank you very much.